it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new brand of sheet masks that I tried out and I want to share with you guys. The brand is called Glam and it's sold through a company called Selly, which curates and distributes Korean skincare products. I found it on Amazon and it had a lot of good reviews, so I decided to try it out. These masks are sold exclusively through Amazon and come in a pack of 12 different sheet masks for a total price of $16.90, so it's less than $1.50 each mask, and it also is part of Prime shipping, which is really convenient. Sheet masks are part of my regular skincare routine. I use them about 1 to 2 times a week depending on how my skin is, so if my skin is dry or if I have any breakouts, then I'll probably use it like twice a week. I love that this pack has a variety of different sheet masks, so I can kind of switch it up every week. And each mask has a different benefit that I'll quickly share with you guys and then show you what they look like inside and how to use it. Lemon extract is great for brightening the skin. Sake soothes and softens the skin. Natural aloe extracts soothes dry skin and provides intense hydration. Pomegranate firms the skin. Green tea extract soothes the face, calming any skin irritations. Shea Butter provides natural moisture and nourishment to the skin. Oatmeal properties keep skin soft and smooth, preventing wrinkles and acne. Acaiberry tightens and firms the skin. Tomato extract assists in a clearer complexion. Avocado extract offers intense nutrition to the skin while relieving sensitive zones. Peppermint components clears blackheads, minimizing the appearance of pores. Tea tree properties leave skin feeling smooth and refreshed. So my skin is dry with occasional breakouts, and from other brands I've already used like the tea tree mask and the lemon mask, so I don't really want to try that out for this video. I've also already used like Shea Butter and Oatmeal. These are really good after exfoliating because it really soothes your skin. So I'm really curious actually how the acai berry and this pomegranate one will do, so I think we will try out the pomegranate mask. Okay, so now we're in my bathroom. I just took off all my makeup and washed my face with the cleanser, and then we're going to use this firming pomegranate barrier function sheet mask. And on all of the masks on the back, it says that it's a 3-layered sheet that allows deep moisture grip. So let's open it up. So what you're going to want to do is put the mask on and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I had the mask on for about 20 minutes, and as you can see, there's still product on my face. The mask was really hydrating and it smells really great. It smells like pomegranate, so it's really sweet. And something that you can do afterwards is take like the remaining product from the package, and even you can squeeze it out from the mask itself and just apply it on your face as a moisturizer. So what I like to do is, this is my last step in my nightly routine, so I'll keep it on and then in the morning I'll just rinse it off with my cleanser. Overall, I really like this mask. It smells really great and it's supposed to have some firming effects, so we'll see. I'm really excited to use the other sheet masks that are in this set. I think it'll be a good addition to my weekly sheet mask routine. Alright, so that's it for this video. I already tried about half of this pack already, and so far they're very hydrating, they smell great, and they haven't made me break out. Let me know if any of you guys have used this product or heard of this brand. I'll leave the product page in the description box down below, and if any of you guys want to know how the rest of the masks go for me and my skin type, then feel free to send me a DM on Instagram at JuliaSa. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.